out this Mopar here at Unique, especially in classics. 1968 Plymouth GTX. Good looking two-door hardtop. Bars color-wise, two-tone racing green metallic and light green metallic. And that is the way this would have been produced back in 1968. Green vinyl interior, bucket seats up front, center console. Of course, 440 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a torque flight automatic transmission. Nicely equipped too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let you get a look at the chrome in the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Now, if you want to check out this car from every angle, top to bottom, take a look at the underside. Looks like it was undercoated when new. Still has undercoating on it. It looks like it's original. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct rally style wheels. You can see how straight these panels are too. Let's take a look all the way down the length of them. And again, the green vinyl interior, two-tone combination. There's your center console. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the rear of the car. And again, still pictures, probably 80, 90 still pictures of this car online on our website. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Pretty nicely loaded car. Look at original rear window defroster. Side marker lights, 68. Model year. Love the one up here in the front also. Front fender. Also fender mounted turn signal indicators. Some more of the options. Now, as far as paperwork that will go with this, there is a build sheet that will go with this car. There's also a 3-ring binder, miscellaneous information on it, receipts, paperwork. That will also go with it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You'll be able to see in the still pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats. Just put the floor mats in for video purposes. And you can see the seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a look underneath the hood too. Did that blower fan working? It did click on the radio and it did power up at a low reception. Not the greatest reception. Powers up, it works. Again, factory AC car. I have not had the compressor kick on and off on the AC though. Take a look at the gauges, I guess, if you will. Alternator, fuel gauge, temperature. Top of the dash, one little crack over there on the passenger side. What the hood liner? Let's take a look at that. Or, excuse me, headliner. Check out the hood liner a bit. Yep, looks good there. Door closes nicely. Flip around the back so it runs. A little rumble coming out of that 440. Of course, 440 the standard engine. I believe the only optional engine would be a Hemi. Alright, let's pause this a second. Take a look at the engine bay. Wrap this video up. There's your look underneath the hood. And the engine bay. Actually looking pretty original. Just got a newer master cylinder and booster back here. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped car. Of course, there'll be a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures. So you'll be able to see that. There is some decoding that's already been done in that 3-ring binder, how this car was equipped. So you're welcome to chat with the sales consultant if you call in and inquire about this car.
Today we're going to take a 1968 Plymouth GTX out for a cruise. Don't see an indicator for the left blinker, but I hear it working.
For Jordan Poyer Blade.
Radio works. I don't have a dash indicator for the right blinker, but I do have one on the fender that works. Fuel gauge, the alternator is at about 5/8. Still warming up, but the temperature is at about 1/3 on the gauge. Let's get her up to speed. Is very good. I do have typical wind noise from the weather seals. Seems like on the front quarter wing windows. Straight down the highway. I'm getting a pull to the right when I brake. My windshield wipers work. Car runs really good. Handles good.
1968 Plymouth GTX. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.